Beneath the quiet surface of worn earth, life stirs in silent patience. A single moist seed opens, breaking through hardened soil as delicate green roots take hold. What begins as a subtle whisper across a barren landscape slowly gathers strength. Pioneer mosses and tender shoots coat the ground in a vibrant emerald carpet, anchoring the earth against erosion. Sunlight filters through morning mist, nourishing thousands of saplings that reach steadily toward the open sky. Over years of rhythmic seasons, these fragile stems thicken into sturdy young trees, transforming an empty valley into a rising woodland shelter. Sunlight now dances across a weaving understory of ferns and wild shrubs. Mid-level branches stretch outward, weaving a protective canopy that softens harsh rains and cools the soil beneath. Root networks weave together deep underground, sharing vital water and nutrients across the vast, expanding forest floor with endless, quiet, natural grace.
As decades pass in a breathtaking hyperlapse of vibrant green, towering trees reach toward distant clouds, casting long golden shadows across a complex ecosystem. Streams clean themselves as they wind through lush moss, supporting fungal blooms and hidden wildlife habitats beneath rich foliage. The upper canopy seals into a majestic, endless sea of leaves, balancing carbon, regulating local climates, and sheltering generations of woodland creatures. Rich leaf litter transforms into dark, fertile humus, nourishing ancient roots that anchor this magnificent natural world. What was once desolate earth is now an enduring ecosystem, showcasing the miraculous power of natural regeneration over time. The breath of the woods reminds us how patience and protection can mend our living planet. If you are inspired by the enduring majesty of nature, subscribe today to join our journey into wild wilderness restoration and discover how nature rebuilds itself, step by beautiful, simple step.